Nutrition Club members, greetings on this bright, sunny, snowy morning. Today we're going to be making broccoli nuggets, using broccoli in a brand new way to make a fun snack that's veggie filled. Let's get started. Here's how we do it. Here we have 2 cups of fresh broccoli, very finely chopped, that we're going to place in a microwave-safe dish with a cover and a few tablespoons of water, and we're going to cook that for a few minutes until it's nice and soft. So while the broccoli cooks, we will pulse our 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats in the food processor to create a gluten-free breadcrumb alternative. To the large bowl with the broccoli, I have added some shredded cheddar cheese, 3/4 cup, our cup of pulsed oats, some salt and pepper, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, and 1/8 teaspoon fresh ground pepper. And I have also added in 3 eggs that I whisked lightly. Now I'm going to stir these to combine. Now that our nuggets are all shaped, we're going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes, then flip them and bake them for 10 minutes more. It's been 15 minutes, so I am flipping over my broccoli nuggets. You can see that they've gotten nice and crispy and golden on the bottom side. And now I'm going to bake them for 10 minutes more. Here we have our finished broccoli nuggets, crispy and golden brown. So the next time you have a hankering after some chicken nuggets, give these a try.